Hi guys, this is Kevin here from the Pickup Media team, and today I just wanted to go through some quick tips you can use to improve your smartphone jewelry photography. Tip number 1, always clean your camera lens before shooting. Guys, your phone has been in your pocket the whole day. You've got handprints on it, you've got God knows what. So if you have a microfiber cloth, just give it a bit of a wipe, but if for example we just have a piece of tissue, that'll be fine too. Just give it a bit of a wipe until everything's gone. Tip number 2, turn your camera mode into square before shooting. And that way you can always get a perfect cropped image. Tip number 3, guys, don't forget to use a tripod or a phone stand. Please, I've seen so many blurry images on Instagram, and that's because they've just taken it like not using any tripod at all. And I can't believe these people actually post it. Don't be like that, seriously. Tip number 4, guys, you can just go onto the internet, find some random backdrops like I have here. We've got some tools, black, pearl, more tools. You can print them off, even slap your logo on them. It'll be perfect for your social media backdrops. Tip number 5, guys, turn on your grid lines. It's very straightforward. If you're using an iPhone, just go into settings, phone, camera, and there's a little button thingy you can slide that says grid lines. Turn it on and it will make your life so much easier. Trust me, it really works. Thank you once again for watching. Those were my 5 tips for today. Do want to say that we are releasing our ebook on Instagram for jewelers, so do keep an eye out on that. It will be coming out in the next few days. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions. Happily answer them.